Have you heard about NLP eye patterns? They say that the eyes are the windows to the soul, and in NLP, your eyes could be revealing a lot more than you think. With just a few simple movements, your eyes could be revealing the inner workings of your brain. NLP Eye Patterns tells us which representation system a person is using at any given moment. They were discovered by Richard Bandler and John Grinder, the co-founders of NLP, after studying thousands of different people from different backgrounds and cultures. You can use your own eye movement to access different representational systems and enhance your creativity, memory, and learning. Now, what we have right here is a typical eye pattern chart. So the way that this works is that this is how the eyes will be moving if you're looking directly at the person. So over on the top right, we have remembered visuals. So this is when somebody thinks of a memory that they remembered. So like if you ask them to like remember what they ate for breakfast, then they would go and they would move their eyes up and to the right. Over here we would have remembered auditory. So this is where a person's eye would move if they're remembering a particular sound, like maybe they're thinking about the sound of their mother's voice, or like the sound of a school bell or something like that. And then down here we have internal auditory, also known as self-talk. So people's eyes will point towards here when they're basically talking to themselves. Now over here on the left side, but the person's right side, we have constructed visual. So if you ask somebody to imagine something, like imagine a pink elephant per se, then the eyes would move up and to the left. Here we would have constructed auditory. So this is where they would just imagine a type of sound. So an example of that is like pretending that your father sounds like Mickey Mouse or something like that. And then here down and to the left, we have kinesthetic touch. So this is where a person's eyes would look when they're thinking about like different sensations, like maybe like remembering like touching a hot stove, or remembering like how they felt when they was like snuggled up under a blanket. Like this is where they would look, and when they're remembering like kinesthetic sensations. Now, typically, left-handed people, they do follow a reverse pattern. So instead of this being here on the right side, it will be on the left side. And instead of this being on the left side, it will be on the right side. Now, if you'd like to dive deeper into NLP, I highly recommend checking out my best-selling book titled NLP Handbook, The 80-20 of Neurolinguistic Programming. You'll find a link to that in the description down below. My name is Jacob Laguerre. I'm the founder of Peace Eye Alpha. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.